Hey folks, welcome to Hayden Me Grilling. Now eventually we're going to be moving out to the grilling shack to smoke some chicken quarters. But before we even get to that point, we got some prep work to do. So let's get started. Alright, so here we have our chicken quarters, right? And the first thing I want to do, see all this stuff here? I just want to come in and trim that off. And the reason we're doing chicken quarters is because if I decide to do the barbecue competition coming up at the end of March, open chicken is one of the divisions, and so, or events. So I want to do chicken quarters. I love chicken quarters, but I've never made them. So this is kind of like a little trial run here. But now, once I got that trimmed off, there's a little joint right inside here, and I kind of want to pop that dude loose. And once we get it popped loose, you see that little knuckle right there? I want to come in right along here, and I think this is like the ribs, maybe the backbone, but I want to come in, I'm just going to cut right along here, and then we can come in from the other way. We're just going to cut right through here like so. And then boom, that chicken quarter is ready for the next step. So we're gonna do this to the ovens and we'll bring you back. All right, now that we've got them all cut up, I've got 2 of them in gallon size Ziploc bags. So what I'm gonna do is I got some old traditional Italian dressing. I'm gonna pour about half the bottle in that one. And then we're gonna pour the other half of the bottle in this one. Now, we're gonna kind of seal these up, and I'm gonna put them in the fridge and let them rest for about 2 hours. All right, so our chicken's been sitting in that marinade for about 2 hours. We're gonna, as quick as I can, get these dudes on the smoker. I wanna put them skin side down. That may be a mistake, I don't know. First time ever doing chicken quarters, but we're gonna get them on here. Now I'm gonna put a temperature probe right here through the thickest part, right in there. We're gonna let it go to that thickest part gets to 165, and then we'll come back and we'll check them. We'll double check them with our other ThermoPro Lightning. Tell you, that we part that pan there, we pour some apple juice down in it. All that's gonna do is help keep our chicken good and moist. All right, folks. So we are at, I'm showing 156. I just want to double check it real quick with our ThermoPro Lightning. Now I did flip them at one point. All right, 170, 169, 151. Okay, so we still need to go a little bit on this side here. 137. All right, but what I am going to do at this point, I'm trying something different with my sauce. I picked up this Better Goods spicy pineapple habanero barbecue sauce. So what I am going to do right now, we're going to take this sauce, we're going to pour us a little bit. I don't even know the consistency, the thickness of this sauce yet. But I just want to brush it on and let that get tacky on that chicken. All right, folks, so we took it up to 165, maybe a little higher. But now it's time to see if we got this bird done. That's looking pretty dang good right there. That is very good, juicy chicken right there. Now it is time for the all important taste test. Now, folks, that was very, very good. Very juicy. Adding that pan of water, or the apple juice rather, into the smoker really helped keep things moist, keep the bird from drying out. But very tender, and I was kind of concerned how that Italian dressing that we use for the marinade would interact with the that habanero barbecue sauce that we put on it. But it all blends together for a very, very good flavor. So y'all please give us one a try. Please let me know what you think. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see y'all later.